Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Pure Biology, and today's topic is rank correlation. Okay, today's topic is rank correlation, capital R. Okay, it is denoted by capital R, and it is a topic that is related to biostatistics. And before going to this topic, I want to say thank you to all of you who have already subscribed my channel. And if this channel is helpful to you, obviously share with your friends. And before going to this topic, I want to say another word that I have already explained correlation in my previous videos. So you just check out that videos, and after that you see this one. Okay, before because if you cannot understand the correlation, so you cannot understand this one. So here what is the rank correlation? Rank correlation is the product moment correlation coefficient smaller that is calculated on the basis of value of the variables. Okay, variables. What is that? That is on the basis of value of the variables. Like example, intelligence. So we just already have learned that correlation means the relationship between the two variables. Okay, and it is calculated by the derivative of x, and suppose x is one variable and y is another variable, then variables of derivatives of the xy values. But here the r values or rank correlation, we just calculate this value with the basis of values of the variables. So example here, intelligence. Intelligence means if you can see the intelligence power of any student, then you can say that he or she is the good student. Okay, just like that. So here if the R value, how to calculate? This is the formula: 1 minus 6 summation of d square. D square means here the difference. Suppose the two variables and the difference between them is the b. Okay, and then nq minus n, or you can say that n into n square minus 1. N is just right in the common form. So it is the formula by which we can calculate the R value. So range of values, if this is the 0, then no correlation here. And if the value range from 0 to 0.20, then it is negligible. And then if the value ranking from 0.20 to 0.40, the relation is very low. Between the two variables, the relation is very low. And if the value that ranked from 0.40 to 0.70, then it is substantial. This is substantial. Okay. And if this value belongs to 0.70 to 1, then it is high. That means correlation is high. So here the calculation is just like the intensity of the relationship. Okay, two variables, between the two variables, the intensity of the relationship, that is if high or substantial, low, negligible or nothing. So this is the calculation of this value. So here we have seen here, this is one example. Okay, so this is zoology and this is botany, and the marks are like that: 35, 23, 47, 17, 10, 43, 09, 08, 28. Okay, so here the how we ranked them, just the first value, which is the greater value. This is 47, so we just write as rank number 1. Okay, next is 43, we write rank number 2. We just here 35, we rank them 3. In that manners we rank these values up to 9. Okay, same way these are the marks of botany and these are the rank 1 is 1 and this is rank 2. Here the greatest value is 49. Okay, and second value is 45, third value is 33, and the last value, this is 04. Okay, so just we have ranked these values in such way. Clear? Now, what will we do? Next, we have to just calculate the D value or the difference between the rank 1 and rank 2. That is, if just minus rank 1 and rank 2, we will get that D values. Here that 3 minus 5, 3 minus 5, this is minus 2, 5 minus 3, this is plus 2, 1 minus 2, minus 1. In such way, we will get these values. Okay? And what we do now? Just squaring these values, we will get the D square values. And after getting these D square values, we have to calculate the summation of D square. That is, adding by these values, we will get this. Okay, this number. Suppose this is that number. Now, just what we have to do? Just we put the values here. 1 minus 6, summation of D square is 12. And here, sorry, this is not. N is what? N is here. Sorry, I have forgotten N number, that is 9. Okay, 9. Okay. So, sorry, 1 second. I am just checking the values. Sorry. So here the N equals to 9. So here 1 minus 6 summation of D square. This is the value. Just N is common here. And 9. This is the 9 square minus 1. So the value is 72. 6 into 12, 72. And sorry, this number is not needed here. This symbol obviously. Now we just calculate this in manner, and what will we get? 1 minus 72, and here the 720. Okay, 720. Then minus 720 minus 72 by 720. So answer is 648 divided by 720. Then we will get the number 0.9. So this is the value 0.9 of the R value. Okay. So I think you can understand. So what we just do, we just put the values of this D square and the N. So after calculating this, we will get this R value, and that is 0.9 approx. Clear? So I think you can understand how to calculate the rank correlation. Okay. Another example, we will calculate the R. By taking another example, we will calculate the rank correlation. So please give me some time. Okay, so here an example is that the coefficient of the rank correlation between the marks in the biostatistics and the biophysics obtained by a certain group of PG students of a college is 2/3, and the sum of the square of the difference is in rank is 55. Find the number of the students in the group. So first the formula, what we'll have to do, we have to write first the formula. R equals to 1 minus 6 summation of D square by N square minus 1. So R value is 2/3 equals to 1 minus 6 into 55 by N into N square minus 1. Then 2/3 minus 1 equals to minus 6 into 55 by N into N square minus 1. What is the value? That is minus 1/3 equals to minus 6 into 55 by N into N square minus 1. And what is the answer next? Next is N into N square minus 1 equals to 6 into 55 into 3. And here that 990. And N, what is the formula of N square minus 1? That is the A square minus B square. That means N plus 1 into N minus 1. Clear? Next, N into N plus 1, N minus 1, and we write this value in such way: 10 into 11 into 9. Okay, 10 into 11 into 9. So What is the value of n? The n value is 10. Clear? This is the sum and you have to do this sum in such way. Clear? First, this is the question. We just put or we just take the number that are needed for the calculation. First, 2 by 3, that is the r value we have taken, and then d square, that is 55. So these are the same way. What is the actual thing here? We have to do this is the actual thing. Otherwise, we cannot give the n value. This is the formula of a square minus b square. Okay. So this is the formula of a square minus b square, and you have all written in the lower classes. So n plus 1, n minus 1, and just break this number by the factorization. Okay, factorization process. This is also you have learned in the lower classes. So in that way, we have to split this number and then we will get this n value. Clear? So in that way, rank of correlation is calculating here. Okay. So I think you can understand properly that how to calculate the rank value, and in my next video I will discuss another examples related to this rank correlation. Okay. So thank you.